Assalamu alaikum everybody. I'm your host and beautician Gulali Ke Afridi on your favorite show Beauty Parlor only on Bypass TV. So guys, हमारा lucky draw इस वक्त on है and everybody is taking a part in it. So आप भी take a part quickly and आप जितनी खरीदारी करेंगे guys उतने chances आपके बढ़ जाते हैं to be the winner. We will have 12 winners. So any 12 lucky winners will win these amazing Remington blow dryers or this professional straightener which we all direly need in our lives. So guys, quickly take off your phones और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा Sunsilk and Glow and Lovely की आप purchasing करें. Stock it up for yourself guys and be the winner for yourselves. So guys, today on Beauty Parlor, we're going to teach you the heat wave skin rescue procedure. So a lot of us are obviously struggling with the heat wave आजकल जो insane हुई हुई है and we all are really suffering from bad skin because of it. So how to rescue yourself from it, I'm going to teach you guys today. So guys, extreme sun exposure की वजह से, our skin tends to get harsh. It tends to lose the brightness. Dull हो जाती है हमारी skin. Bacteria आ जाते हैं. We tend to break out. There are so many issues we have to face after we are hit by these heat waves in our country. So guys, how to, make it possible for your skin to breathe again and to rejuvenate, and obviously, we need the refresh skin back from the irritation, tanning, sweat and whatnot. So guys, our first step, like always, अब तक जितने भी हमारे लोग देखते हैं हमें regularly उनको idea होगा कि I only start with the cleanser first. In any skincare, my first step is always a good cleanser. Why you need a good cleanser? वो भी मैं बहुत दफ़ा बता चुकी हूँ कि guys, we need a good cleanser only so we can help ourselves from cleaning our face, unclogging our pores. So guys, I have this we have this amazing vitamin C facial cleanser which also contains hyaluronic acid और इसके seller हैं Beauty TV Parlor. So guys, this is an amazing product all in one. Why? Because इसमें एक तो vitamin C already included है and second इसमें hyaluronic acid भी है, which means कि ये आपको brightness के साथ साथ आपकी dullness को हटाने के साथ साथ ये आपको जो है clean भी करेगा and ये hydrate भी करेगा is why it has hyaluronic acid in it. And guys, it's amazing for anti-aging as well. The antioxidant effect and the vitamin C effect is going to benefit you guys so much that honestly we all need a good cleanser. So guys, let's use this. I'm going to cover her clothes first so we don't destroy her fit. Okay, and obviously I'm going to wet her skin first. Vitamin C is great guys for the sake of brightening, and everybody who's suffering from dull skin and tan skin, ये आपके लिए honestly best है. It's going to clean all the impurities. It's going to give that refreshing feel to the skin. Wow, look at that, you guys. It's more towards the gel consistency than a creamy consistency, which is also kind of cool. I kind of am enjoying it. I love. और थोड़ा सा creamy effect भी है अगर मैं थोड़ा और पानी इसमें dilute करूँ तो. Yup, the more water you put in to activate it, the more activation you'll see on the skin. And guys, सर्कुलर मोशन में कीप मसाजिंग। गाइस इस प्रोडक्ट का QR कोड और प्रोडक्ट ID आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त मौजूद है। सो गाइस स्टार्ट परचेजिंग एंड स्टार्ट बाइंग थ्रू बाईपास ऐप। हमारी बाईपास ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए और अपने घर बैठे बैठे अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स को अचीव करें, ख़रीदें उसको एंड अचीव अ गुड स्किन केयर जस्ट बाय सिटिंग एट होम एंड obviously watching the process bypass पे. Okay guys, we have pretty much cleaned the skin. I'm going to take some more water and activate it further more. Wow, you guys can see जितना आप पानी इस्तेमाल करोगे उतना it's becoming creamier. So love that effect to it. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of it. We have pretty much cleaned the skin very well. Okay, love this product. And guys, our lucky draw is still on. So if you guys wish to win all those amazing goodies, I mean, a blow dryer and a straightener is so important in everyone's life. Be it a man or a woman, we all need a good hair dryer, सबको बाल बनाने हैं, सबको बाल dry करने हैं. So I think this is the best way to, invest on a good dryer by simply restocking your stock and winning. And we're going to announce our winners on the 8th of May, you guys. आप में से 12 लोग जीत सकते हैं. Okay, everybody, so our cleanser is done and look at her skin. She is not only glowing, but she has become super bright now thanks to our vitamin C cleanser by TV Parlor. Guys, iska QR code aapki screens pe maujood hai. So if you wish to buy and achieve that bright skin, then you know what to do. All you have to do is take off your phones, download our app, and if you don't want to download it, then aap WhatsApp ke through bhi iski product ID bhej sakte hain and you can easily buy it. Okay, so I love how instant freshness it has given to her skin, and it is so important in this hot weather and these hot weather that we are surviving in. उसमें बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमें ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट मिले जो एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल सीबम को भी कंट्रोल कर सके, so your face is not filled with oil, sweat and sebum and what not. So I mean, of course, आपकी face पे इतनी irritation भी हो जाती है after sweat, and you just don't feel any fresh yourself too. So guys, we are now going to go to our next product, which is our amazing skin mask, which is by JM Solution, and you guys can see this. And what I love about this mask is ये मैंने पहले भी apply किया है. JM Solution, एक तो the more I think the more I speak, the less about this brand. It is an amazing brand. I think this is a Korean brand, and we all know Korean products are booming in the market right now. But before I introduce this further to you guys, I'm going to take a quick short break. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, guys. आप जैसा कि देख रहे थे, हम कर रहे हैं हमारी प्यारी सी मॉडल के ऊपर एक summer rescue process, which means for everybody who's been suffering from this heat wave, हम आपकी स्किन को रेस्क्यू करने आए हैं इस वक्त, एंड हम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे टू ऑल द अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू रेस्क्यू योर स्किन बैक. So guys, I was introducing you guys JM Solutions. We were in between of that only. So this is a Korean brand, as we were speaking about it. And what I love about this mask is it is so different from any other. Why? Because it includes a marine all phase moisture eye cream, and uske साथ साथ it also includes a marine deep waterful essence, and we have our mask here. So इस पे आपको step 1, step 2 and step 3 दोनों मिलते हैं. I think I'm going to use it the way it's given. So the first is to use the eye cream. No, actually the deep water full essence. So I'm going to first use this. This is a luminous sheet mask, which means कि ये आपको extra hydrate करेगा. And guys, इस पे भी पीछे instruction पे clearly लिखा है to use this mask you have to first cleanse your face. So this is why I keep emphasizing and I keep talking about a good cleanser is क्योंकि आपको अपने हर step से पहले cleanser ज़रूरी है. So we're going to apply this all over the face. You guys can see this is the texture to it. इसको लगाया face पे. Oh, I love how it is feeling. It really does feel waterful. That's perfect for that hydration she will need. Beautiful. Love Korean products for a reason. अब आप देखें हमने कौन से किसी लोकल ब्रांड में ये देखा होगा कि 3 स्टेप्स एक मास्क में मिल रहे हैं. लोकल क्या इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स में भी इस वक्त जो है इतना मतलब प्रॉपर स्टेप्स टू अ मास्क I have not seen that before. Anyways guys, so this just looks amazing to me and I have thoroughly applied it all over her face, not leaving any area uncovered. Okay, so we are done with the first step. Step number 2 is to wear the mask. Okay, so this is our Pearl Luminous mask. Oops, I hope I didn't tear that off, but okay. Let's open this baddie up. Oh, yum! देखिए कितना full. I love how generously they have put in the product for us. I'm going to whatever serum is on my extra serum is on my hand. I'm going to apply it onto her face. Okay. थोड़ी सी बोलते हुए अगर आपको problem हो, don't worry. Keep going, keep moving, and keep the hustle. Okay, keep hustling everybody. Okay, now you guys can see एक proper dimension बना हुआ होता है mask सब masks में. All you have to do is place it right and then एक proper love face mask. Okay, so there is a lot of space to cover the upper lip, lower lip, all of it. Okay guys, let's okay, I'm going to keep penetrating this mask onto her skin. Yes, sub everything. Okay, just penetrate it onto the skin. Keep pressing the product onto the skin. Absolutely love it. This is my favorite mask. We're going to keep it in for a bit. See? Okay, and I'm going to also dry up my skin. And guys, इसका QR code भी आपके screens पर इस वक्त मौजूद है. The QR code, and also you can also scan the the QR code easily, and also the product ID is also available onto the screens. All you have to do is हमारी bypass की ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है. उस पे जाके आप इसका QR कोड स्कैन करके इसको खरीद सकते हैं, या तो अब bypass ने आपकी जिंदगियों को और ज़्यादा easy कर दिया है, which means we are now on WhatsApp as well. So all you have to do is you have to simply send the product ID to our WhatsApp number and आप घर बैठे बैठे ये मास्क भी खरीद सकते हैं. So guys, love this mask and love how it's sitting so well to her skin. Now I'm just gonna get it off of her skin. Look at that. It is so beautiful. So whatever excess comes in from the mask, मैं उसको हमारे neck पे लगा दूंगी. I don't like wasting the mask at all, the product at all. You guys can see her skin looks like skin now. And I love that her skin is skinning. She has a glass skin effect to her face. That is why I love Korean products, because they really give you the glass skin that they promise and that they claim. So if you want this glass skin, guys, all you have to do is you have to easy purchase this. इसका QR कोड ID आपके स्क्रीन पर इस वक्त मौजूद है. आप इसके रिजल्ट्स खुद देख सकते हो. That her skin is looking amazing. It looks like glass skin right now. And I think, I mean, I don't need to say any further कि ये कितना amazing product है and how amazing is the results to it. You guys can easily see how it has hydrated the skin, how well is hydrated the skin. I mean, I think it's perfect for summers, for anybody who wants a refreshed skin, who wants that refresh, you know, that skin to be skinning in summers. And we all love a nice glowy skin. So I think this is something not so hard to achieve if you buy everything off of us and apply it the way we are telling you and guiding you. So I think this is pretty much the look we like. And order करने का तरीका बहुत आसान है, guys, and it is the simple way which we always follow. The only thing you have to do is to download Bypass app, और आप डायरेक्ट जाएंगे उस पे. हमारी इस वक्त स्क्रीन पे QR कोड मौजूद है JM Solutions के मास्क का. You're going to just scan from your cameras and you will automatically buy it. या तो if you're a lazy person like me and आपकी जो फ़ोन होता है वो हमेशा is filled with things and there's no space available to download any app, then just go on to your WhatsApp, हमारे नंबर पे जाएं और इस प्रोडक्ट का ID आप भेजें हमें, प्रोडक्ट ID, and you're gonna easily purchase it. You know, it's so easy. So guys, you know, this was the mask that we did, but iska third step I'm going to show you after the break. So stay tuned and come back. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, guys, and our third step was still pending. So let's go to our third step. और हम third step कर रहे हैं हमारे JM Solution mask का. This is the last step which is left, and this is a moisturizing eye cream. And imagine, you guys, they are so specific that they are not even, you know, sparing the eye. Eye bhi aapke jo hai, you know, is also, you know, covered. So this was the last product left in that. So I'm going to take this off. And so it says all face eye cream that can be used not only around your eyes but neck, also all over your face. So guys, the best part is कि आप इसको सिर्फ अपने eye के नीचे नहीं but neck, full face पे भी use कर सकते हैं. So I love how thick it is, and I don't know, just the feel of JM, you know, product is also so good that I feel, you know, it's really promising, and the quality is amazing. So I'm just going to penetrate this all over to her face, and they have given the product so generously. Uske andar itna product hai, you know, that I think 2 people can share one mask easily, if one is willing to share their mask also that. But love the effect of this mask. It's really hydrating. It's given that glass skin that every Korean, you know, product claims, and every Korean claims that, you know, their skincare is so good. And honestly, I think अब तो सबने ही Korean skincare पे switch किया है, because they're just so good and they're just so popular. और एक दफ़ा कुछ चीज़ पॉपुलर हो गई तो आपको तो पता है, you know, once something goes viral, and Korean products really are viral right now. Everybody who wants to repair their skin is going to Korea to just get that consultation and just to buy that skincare. Okay guys, तो इस मास्क का भी आपके स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त QR कोड and इसकी प्रोडक्ट आईडी आपके स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है। ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ हमारी बाईपास की ऐप पे जाके आप इसका क्यूआर कोड स्कैन कर सकते हैं, या तो इसकी प्रोडक्ट आईडी आप भेज सकते हैं हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे, एंड यू विल ईजिली बी एबल टू बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट। सो गाइज, यू गाइज कैन सी द स्किन इफेक्ट, the glass skin effect she has after this amazing mask that we use, 3-in-1 mask. So guys, we're done with our skincare, but one thing I would like to put in, and I would like everybody to do and to practice, is that once you're done with your skincare, please lock it with a good sunblock. Because if you don't do that, what you're doing is you are further damaging your skin. आपकी skin वैसे ही sensitive हुई भी होती है summers में, and जब आप skin care करते हो तो वैसे भी you don't need a lot of skin, you don't need a lot of heat or that sun exposure to your face once the skincare is done. So it's always important कि आप एक अच्छा sunblock use करें. I have Truly Komal's very high protection sunblock, and this is safe and effective. It's an advanced sun protection that we all really need. You have to, अगर आपने इसको apply किया हुआ and you're going for swimming, after swimming, you have to, after 40 minutes of swimming, you have to retouch it, because that's just how it is. Or if you are someone who sweats a lot, तो उसके आपको every 40 minutes you have to do a little touch up of your sunblock. Okay, so let me unseal this first. This is by Truly Komal, and this is an SPF 50. Okay. Oh, I think I will need some help, guys. Okay, actually, I'm just going to kick it off from here. तो मैं I think ये भी ज़्यादा हो गया है, but this is enough for your neck and your face, because we did skincare on the neck as well, so we're supposed to secure and protect that as well. आप देख सकते हो इसका texture कितना amazing लग रहा है. Okay, now it's time to lock in all that skincare we did, and it's time to protect that skincare from any further heat या तो sun exposure. आपको अपनी skin की हिफाजत खुद करनी है, guys, and it is that important. So I'm just going to leave it onto her skin to absorb. And what अभी थोड़ा white लग रहा होगा आप लोगों को, but eventually this will dry out and जो white cast है वो हट जाएगा इससे. So that is how it's going to look like, you guys. आप इसको एटलीस्ट कुछ टाइम पहले, 5 मिनट पहले या 2 मिनट पहले मिनिमम इसको अप्लाई करें बिफोर स्टेपिंग आउट, ताकि वो सब ड्राई आउट हो जाए और आराम से इसका जो इफ़ेक्ट है, वाइट इफ़ेक्ट, वो हट जाए. आई डोंट वांट टू ओवर रब हर स्किन और पेनिट्रेट, बिकॉज हमने काफ़ी स्किन केयर किया हुआ है और इस वक्त हमारे मास्क के भी serums are on her face, so let's wait for it to dry out completely and then be the judge of this sunblock. Okay guys, and guys, इसका भी QR कोड और प्रोडक्ट ID आपके स्क्रीन्स पे मौजूद है. You can easily buy it by scanning the QR code on our bypass app, या तो हमारे आप हमारे व्हाट्सएप पे इसकी प्रोडक्ट आईडी भेजेंगे and आप easily purchase कर सकते हो. Now you guys can see, the more I'm massaging and letting it sit on the skin, the more the white cast is leaving. Anyways guys, it will fade with time, but you guys should not fade away and keep watching Bypass Beauty Parlor. Okay guys, thank you. Goodbye.